My name is Ed Triplett. I am a Counselor Library and Information Resources postdoctoral fellow at the Wired Lab. I work on a lot of projects here at the Wired Lab. I'm teaching my own course, but I'm also assisting in lots of different ways over the last several years in 3D graphics work, in working on mapping projects, also attempting to make sure that we are preserving the objects that we're creating, these digital assets, so that they're going to be available for future research. I think one of the most rewarding things about the Wired Lab, for most people who were involved with it, is this idea that there's a lot of cross-pollination of ideas that happens, and that especially happens on Fridays. When we have lots of digital projects working simultaneously in our lab, there's a lot of times where I will sort of be on wheels, and I'll pick up things from other projects, things that are happening, and maybe assist very briefly and talk to people who are working on visualizing Venice, and then talk to people who are working on the Digital Athens project. And really, somewhere in between, we're all sort of gathering new information and making each of these projects better. I'm currently teaching a course called the Medieval Castles of Europe. This is a course in which a lot of undergraduate students, we also have a graduate student in that course, they're working to really understand the way that Europe became a fortified landscape in the Middle Ages. Part of that education for us in the way that we create our courses is we want to be very hands-on. And so in this course, the students will be creating their own castle using a hypothetical construct. So they will decide where and when this castle would have existed, and they will design it themselves in 3D graphics. I am teaching this for the very first time. And we will be experimenting with some of the more advanced 3D modeling softwares, even for students that are at the freshman level.